In today's video, we'll show you how to enable Two-Factor Authentication 2FA and change your profile password. To add an extra layer of protection to your account, navigate to the Profile section in the top right corner of your CopyRack account. There you'll find options like Profile, Enable 2FA, Change Password, Dark Theme, and Logout. To enable 2FA, simply select the Enable 2FA option. You'll see a QR code on the screen. Install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile phone and scan the QR code. Enter the verification code from the app and click Enable 2FA, and that's it. Now, every time you log in, you'll be asked for the code. Simply check your Google Authenticator app and enter the code to log in. Just a heads up, the code keeps on updating every 30 seconds, so make sure to enter the updated code which appears on the app. To disable 2FA, you can follow the same steps. Go to the Profile section, click on Disable 2FA, enter the code from the Google Authenticator app, and then click on Disable 2FA. The 2FA will be disabled. Next, let's see how to change your profile password. Click on the Change Password tab. Enter your old current password, then type in your new password, and just confirm the new password. Once done, click on Submit. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. Happy trading! May your investments thrive with CopyRack.